4 Benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting the sugars from apples, which turns them into acetic acid, the active ingredient in vinegar. Unfiltered active containing mother are good to our body. That means there are proteins, enzymes and friendly bacteria present, and they give this type of vinegar a cloudy appearance. How to use ACV. The best way to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet is to use it in your cooking, like for salad dressings or drink few teaspoon with a glass of water. Common dosages range from 1 to 2 teaspoons, 5 to 10 milliliters, to 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 milliliters, per day, mixed in a large glass of water. It's best to start with small doses and avoid taking large amounts, because too much vinegar can cause harmful side effects. Always use straw to drink ACV to avoid enamel erosion. The 4 benefits of apple cider vinegar are: first benefit is that it regulates blood sugar levels. ACV helps to regulate blood sugar levels by slowing how fast starches are digested and lowering your body's insulin response after you eat. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar gets the credit when it comes to reducing the effects of carbohydrates on blood sugar levels. To keep blood sugar levels stable, try diluting 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of water and consume it before meals. Second benefit of apple cider vinegar is that it helps to reduce acid reflux and improves digestion. Apple cider vinegar has a similar pH to stomach acid. It mimics stomach acid, which can help to stimulate digestion. Apple cider vinegar can help to facilitate the digestive process and reduce symptoms of heartburn and acid reflux. It also helps to prevent gas and bloating. Third benefit is that apple cider vinegar helps you to lose weight and reduces belly fat. Apple cider vinegar can help you to feeling full. It helps to reduce the overall amount of calories you're taking in, promoting slow and steady weight loss. Apple cider vinegar helps to curb cravings for sweets and other processed foods that can lead to weight gain. To help with weight loss, it's best to consume 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water before each meal. Fourth benefit of apple cider vinegar is it helps to maintain healthy heart. Apple cider vinegar has also been shown to decrease levels of triglycerides and low-density lipoproteins. Apple cider vinegar can increase the levels of high-density lipoproteins or good cholesterol. The apple cider vinegar's high acetic acid content can also reduce blood pressure and LDL or bad cholesterol in your blood and improve health of heart.
Thank you, and please subscribe.